little bit, getting there. I think I'll run some 235s. I'll bring in heaps of these in case I run out of tires or wheels.
All we do is we get deodorant, spray the shit out of that, and go, you just pump air into it until it pops off.
You're ready to go, man? Just about. Oh, I got a couple. So I know it's going to be cold.
While drifting, every single event, doesn't matter what it is, I
So
get
you
there,
start moving.
even if
Oh,
I've
yeah.
shat at home, I'm always
And sometimes I need a shit. I'll go to the toilet. Ready? Nothing.
oh, okay, no, I get the opposite, I'm like,
Whoosh!
maybe I need a shit.
Wish I could just flip a Yui right here. I mean, I'm not even gonna try. I'll try it at night one day. Try it at night one day. Yeah. That song's stuck in my head now.
Good.
What's that song called?
Hey.
My neck is filled with the water.
Recession. Recognized me the other week, and it was because of the 86. It's black and yellow, motherfucker.
What have you got for snacks? Oh,
Bacon and egg.
oh, yeah, that's the one.
One of our sponsors, but you know.
Yeah, I know.
Dad goes through
We should be
these.
sponsored.
Like, he goes through a 4-pack of these ones a day.
Oh, he looks happy. He's got his coffee.
Hey, cup of tea, mate.
Oh, cup of tea. On the bum duties. On the bum duties, bro.
You might want to watch from the other side because I can't see anything.
Just here, listen for the beeps, bro.
Try and listen.
What are those? Afternoon, sunshine.
Is that?
Afternoon.
Hey guys, it's Nicole.
We're at Tapuo Motorsport Park down here for COREAL Super Drift. It's pretty nippy. Just unloaded the car into the garage. Yeah.
Sweet. All ready for tomorrow then?
Nearly.
Nearly?
Drifter things.
Drifter
Of small
things.
we gotta do.
That's the one. That's the one. What are we up to for the rest of the night then?
Go get warm.
Go
Have
get
some
warm.
food.
Yeah, that's the one, brother.
Oh yes.
That's the one. Awesome. Dinner. Grab some food, you mean, and then we'll hit the track in the morning. See you later.
McDonald's.
Macca's.
Breakfast!
Are you crew?
Driver. Yeah.
Morning. Down here at Tapuo Motorsport Park for Drift Matsuri and Super Drift. It's cold.
It is very cold.
I'm very cold. I don't feel good. But we're going to have a good day.
Yep.
Wait for the boys to get here, fit the kit on properly, check over a couple of things, make sure we pass the tech, and then we on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So you get my car checked. I'm tired.
Yeah. It's windy.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
When I'm on track, I just
Yeah, you know it.
I don't wanna be with you. Trust me.
So Jake came yesterday and he lost power steering, and it turns out the nut that was on the pulley on the front of the alternator, the valve jumped off. So the boys are off now to get a new valve, should be back in action.
Alright bro, how did that go?
Oh, it's not the way we wanted it to go, but it's drifting. I just had too much grip. Didn't get to. I didn't get out in the morning practice session. But like I said, it's part of it. Got out there, had Jake Jones, straight into a battle with him, and then I was leading first. I initiated. It was all sweet. Everything felt pretty all good, but then that last sweeping corner, I kind of transitioned a bit too early, nose went too inside, dropped the wheel, then Jake kind of gave me a little tap on the rear, and that was that. And then my chase was just trash. So I got knocked out into the redemption round, and I've now got to buy to whatever that's called. It's old mate. It's not functioning. So I got knocked out originally. Round 1 redemption round, I had a bye, and now I'm round 2 redemption, and I will either have Connor Halligan or Jake Jones, and then whoever wins that battle will go on to round 3 redemption and gets a chance to get back into the top 8.